I have a coloring book that I ordered, and I figured I would check it out with you, kind of an unboxing. Looks like they come with little postcards for each character. Let's check it out. Well, that was very thoughtful of her. Bobbie Goods does this, but you have to buy each sticker and postcard for each character. Oh, and it has the information about each one. I'll go through this fairly quickly. Chloe is a sheepadoodle with a big personality. She's a sassy girl who loves to call the shots. Let's see, she loves happily snuggling and bringing energy wherever she goes. Chloe will never leave your side. And then Maisy is a golden doodle with a full heart of sunshine. Let's see what Maisy likes. If there's a soccer ball nearby, consider it claimed. That's like my dog. Maisy goes wild for a game of soccer. She's a happy-go-lucky girl who reminds us to find joy in the little things. So that is a sweet little backstory of the two dogs. Let's go ahead and do a flip through of Chloe and Maisy. And get the checklist. Really nice quality paper. And if this video helps you in some way, please subscribe or give it a thumbs up. I'll go ahead and do a flip through without any commentary for a moment. Very sweet coloring book, especially if you like dogs and you're not really into the bears and other kind of creatures. If you like this book, I do have a playlist dedicated to premium quality books that I'll leave at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.